Here in this video, we're going to navigate in Fireworks. Up at the top, we have our drop-down menus, and under View, there are a lot of ways to zoom in and out, magnify to zoom in. You can use your Control plus the equal or the minus. You can zoom in any of these magnifications. You can fit your picture into the window and fit the selection into the window. So zoom in and out. You can go to 200% or whatever it is you want. At the top there's also these tools additionally. You can see, you can click on the zoom tool, and there's also an additional drop down menu. So as we zoom out, we want to fit what we selected. We can also fit everything. And one of the things that you probably want to do is to fit all. Use Control 0 or Command 0 on a Mac. Okay, there's more here, some additional ways of zooming in and out. At the bottom right corner of the pasteboard, there are also another set of magnifications, and it might be easier for you to get to know some of the control keys. You can also go to your View Tools. In the toolbar at the bottom, there's also a hand tool and another zoom tool. Whichever you get comfortable with, getting the zoom in, then you'll just get used to whatever works best for you. And by clicking, you can zoom in and out, and you can use the scroll bars at the bottom and the side to scroll over or up and down. We can also use other key commands. Using the Alt or Option key on a Mac, we can use the zoom tool, and we can zoom out by using that Alt key. You can also use the Control or the Command key in a Mac and the scroll wheel to zoom in and out, or the Control or Command key with the plus or minus keys to zoom in and out. It's a little bit faster. Using any tool in the toolbar, it does not matter. We can always go to zoom in out with the scroll wheel and using the Control key. So no matter what, you can do these things without having to choose or select the zoom key. Okay, so whether you are zooming into one place or another, you can zoom in by any direction, hovering over, and it'll zoom to that area. It's difficult to manage your way around the pasteboard, so using the hand tool, or we call it a pan, we hold that down, click and drag the pasteboard or the artboard here. It's a little bit easier to navigate around where you want to go when you're zoomed in. Sometimes you get a little bit lost, so Control 0 again. Now you can use the spacebar key instead of going and clicking on our hand tool to pan around our document. Okay, if I zoom in, I could get lost, but if I use the spacebar key, and it temporarily becomes the hand tool, and again, it doesn't matter which tool that you use, it temporarily becomes the pan hand tool when we press the spacebar key. As you can see here, I'm using different tools, and it goes back and forth depending on which key that you're using. In this case, the spacebar key.